Now, a last thing too here is what do you do when you're going through and basically, trying to turn on your Kindle, but your Kindle is just not turning on no matter what you do? Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is to just go through and just see if you can basically do a little bit of a hard reset. So on the bottom of your Kindle, there's going to be a little power button. So at the very bottom, there's a little power button right over here. What I'd recommend doing is to go through and basically press and hold it down for about 40 seconds. So go through, press and hold it for about 40 seconds, and then whatever your screen does, you just want to ignore it. Then after about 40 seconds or so, you want to let go of that power button, and then you want to go ahead and press it normally one time. What should happen is your Kindle should go through and power back on, and that could probably alleviate that issue that you might end up having there as well. If that's not working, I'd recommend probably going through and seeing if you can plug in your Amazon Kindle via a charger and let it just sit there for a little bit of time. 10 to 15 minutes, let it just sit there, and then you can kind of see what ends up happening from that viewpoint. A lot of the times, that kind of stuff usually ends up just kind of fixing the problems there too, and that is another one of those really important things that I'd recommend doing here. So plug it in, let it just sit there, let it charge up for a while, and that'd be another really important thing that I'd recommend doing here as well. If that's still not working, you can also just make sure that your Amazon Kindle isn't super heating up like crazy, that it's not having any other severe issues or any problems like that, because that can also be one of the problems you might run into. So all in all, that's basically how you use your Kindle Paperwhite. It's a very good, Kindle. It's very cool, but that's basically how you use it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.